This is Jack Rice on the campaign trail, and as we follow the Republican and Democratic presidential races as they get closer and closer to the conventions, the Republicans are really just simmering at this point. John McCain will absolutely win this thing. I think at this point, the only question is when. On the Democratic side, it's even more interesting, and it's probably the most closely watched race in maybe a generation, but there's now a new wrinkle, and that new wrinkle is an old wrinkle, frankly. Ralph Nader, he has run in 2000 and 2004. He is not running as a Democrat, but what he can do is he can have an impact upon the race itself. Even if he takes 2, 3, 4 points, he can have an impact, but you can't look nationally. What you have to do is you have to look state by state. March 4th are two huge races for the Democrats, specifically for Hillary Clinton. And what we're talking about are Ohio, really, and Texas, really. And what Ralph Nader can do is he can put himself down on the ground in Ohio or in Texas or both and really potentially impact this race. What we have already seen is he is already going after Barack Obama. He is already going after Hillary Clinton. And if he peels away some of the veneer, some of that may have a huge difference. In addition, if we look at the Democrats themselves, things are really, really huge at this point. What we realize is that Hillary Clinton must take probably Ohio and Texas to win. But the problem for her is the wind seems to be blowing in a different direction. We're not talking inevitability at this point, but Barack Obama has done so incredibly well, winning 8, 9, 10, 11 races across the country, everywhere, and really changing the demographic, changing the people who are supporting him. It's not just the African-American community anymore. We're starting to see white women, white men, everybody turning to Barack Obama. Remember the superdelegates? Those are turning to Barack Obama too. Again, these are races that will get closer and closer and closer. The recent polls show that Hillary Clinton could lose to John McCain if she ran against him face to face. Barack Obama, on the other hand, is winning 2 out of 2. It's a good question at this point. We're going to continue following this as we get closer to March 4th and to multiple races across the country. But the ones to keep our eyes on again are Ohio and Texas. If she doesn't win, my prediction is she will be out. This is Jack Rice on the campaign trail.